Hello and welcome. Previous chapter was really very interesting because we understood how Raft consensus algorithm is actually working. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss some of the best practices related to Raft consensus algorithm. It is very important part to understand these best practices because if you are not going to follow them, you will face difficulties in future after deploying your cluster. So let's start with best practices number 1, and this is do not use only 2 manager nodes. See, if you ask anybody that I want to set up high availability for my cluster environment, as a part of minimum configuration, you will definitely think about let's set up 2 manager nodes. So what I am doing right now, I am going to delete this. Let's assume that we have 2 manager nodes. Okay. And now I am going to explain you what will happen if you are going to set up only 2 manager nodes. First of all, majority requirements. Raft consensus required majority of nodes to agree on a decision and elect leader. If I'm going to this particular picture and we know about this quorum algorithm, okay, so let's say that if I have 2 manager nodes means 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 divided by 2 would be 1 plus 1. So 2. So I want 2 votes in order to select leader. Now let's say that manager A started first and manager B voted A as a leader. So this will be leader because you are considering your own vote of manager A and then B will give this vote as well. So manager A will get 2 votes and then everything will work over here and everything will be normal. But why you have multiple manager nodes? Because if any one of nodes, specifically when leader node goes down, you want to shift this responsibility from manager A to manager B. Now what will happen? You have to understand this. We call it failure scenario. With only 2 manager nodes, if one node fails, the remaining node cannot form a majority by itself. Now let's say that if A goes down, manager A goes down, what will happen? Manager B will say that, okay, now I'm not getting any heartbeats from manager A. So now I want to become leader, right? I want to become leader. And definitely now B is a leader candidate. So B will vote itself. So B will get 1 vote of itself. But what about second vote? If you want to form leader, if you want to become leader, you have to get 2 votes because according to the quorum requirement, we have to have 2 votes. And here, leader is manager B is only getting 1 vote. Other is not working over here, it is down. So manager B will never become leader because...
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.